The Pink's letterbox tool has been redeveloped recently in line with some of the comments we received from some of our locksmith customers to make some small adjustments to the physical product itself. One of the changes that we've made to the actual extending arm is to put in these rather neat little plugs, and what they will do is work along 5mm increments, so that when this is at full extension it's impossible to push the arm back or even twist it. So this is one of the updates we've recently made to this particular product. Okay, this tool has now been extended to show you how this works, and it's just as you would see in a real life situation. So I've extended the inside bar and then used this tap first of all to clamp the product, and then I've put through the plug on this side to prevent any twisting or movement at all on this rod. And I've done exactly the same on the second tube as well. And using these two tubes enables us to give really close control of the tool itself and extend it to almost an infinite variety of lengths that you may choose to use. I've been asked to look at some of the tools that we provide with this particular kit. They now come in this red bag on the inside of the main bag that you will receive, and there are quite a lot of tools within the set itself, and we are adding to these particular tools all the time. So what we'll do is we'll go through them one at a time. First of all is our wedge. So this tool is a multifunctional tool, very much for the Ingersoll, but also uses the other attachments on the inside. And this just presses onto the outside of the unit, and then use this little knurl here to tighten up, so that will not drop off then on the inside of the door whilst you're doing a job. One of the next tools that you may want to use will be this little item, which is for the snib, and as you can see it's double-sided, so it will go into our snib lifting tool here, and then down, just use the Allen key to turn it down, and then once that's on the end of the tool, letterbox tool, you then have a snib to lift either way, left hand, you can put it on the other side, which will be right-handed, so that will get most of the jobs that you will need to do done very, very quickly indeed. We do provide also an alternative snib, and that's this one here, just in case the other one hasn't done the job for you. And this can be used multi-directionally. Again, onto the tool, onto the end of the tool, and tighten it up. And as you will see with this particular product, it has holes drilled all the way around it, so you can get close angles, and again it can be used both left and it can be used on the right hand side. We have a drop bar, and this drop bar will drop onto handles and get you out of a lot of trouble very quickly. And this is used again by going through our universal tool, tightening up to the exact length that you're looking for, that you want to play with, and then doing the job from there. I want to talk just about some of the spikes that we have, and what we have for that is this spike tool here, which is an adapter that will go into the top of our letterbox tool there, and into the end of this you can use a key spike, and again just tighten the key spike up, or alternatively you can use the drop lever, again, which is used for a variety of products, just put into the inside of the onto the inside of the unit here. One of the great benefits of this system is our camera that we have developed. This is the smallest, or one of the smallest cameras, commercial cameras in the world, and we now have this available in two formats. One with an MP4 screen that it works with, and secondly, we do have it now with 3D goggles, which we'll be launching at the Locksmith Expo in March 2013. The most expensive part of the kit that you get, be it the goggles or the MP4, is this. It's the actual camera. This is the expensive bit that everyone thinks is the low-cost bit. It's absolutely the reverse. This camera is an incredible piece of engineering, and the camera itself fits very, very simply into the top end of the letterbox tool unit, and so you can actually see right up to the very point as to what you're doing and what you're trying to achieve. The camera also works if you're going to use a spike, and if you're going to use the spike tool, and you attach the spike tool onto there, then the camera will clip into this unit here and then attach onto the end of the tool. So again, using this combination, you then get again very close up to the action of what you are trying to do, and you will wedge that between the tool and this unit here. So the camera itself works very well with all of the kit. So rather than using either blind touch, which I know some customers do, or little mirrors, which I know other customers do, this will enable you to use this letterbox tool at night, in the dark, and see very clearly exactly what's on the other side of the door. And that is up to date the Martin Pink letterbox tool.